Good morning, Dave Snyder here. It is the 16th day of September 2014, and I really wish that I would have started this, doing this overlay, started the video recording before I started, but it doesn't matter. It's really, I mean, you got to trust me on this one. I mean, it's basically here's what I did. There's the weather over North America, right? And I took my snipping tool and I just basically snipped around all the way around like this. All this, just the United States and the weather around it, North America, the weather around it. And I took it to the Google Earth, right? Because I seen this pattern right here. Interested me right there, this spot here. So I took it to Google Earth, overlaid it over the Earth, just like this. Watch it. And it's pretty close. It's not. I'm not saying it's right on the money here, but it's close enough. Right here. Okay. You see how it's? I mean, it moves a little bit, but it's right in the general area, right? I'm good enough. Okay. So then I brought up my my Mare Oriental pattern from a long time ago. It's been up there for probably going on 2 years now, pretty much. It's way up here on my list. Still going, still going. Hold on a second. We'll be there in a minute. Getting there. All right, here we go. Application Placement Pacific. This is, like I said, it's pretty old. I put it up there, and I was looking it over, and I was like, okay, this area right here, I can see that pretty well. It looks similar to me, right? And then I looked over here, right here. Look at this. Sweet. So sweet. This is a perfect alignment of this crater, and it's huge. Way bigger than they say it is on the moon. Way bigger. So much bigger, it's not even funny. But it will align with the weather over the earth in this location every single day. It's just some days are better than others, you know what I mean? So of course some days the weather shows itself better than others. But that's, when I seen that, and then that just out of the corner of my eye, line. It was already aligned. I didn't even move it after that. I just brought it up. So I did this. This is set in place. I'd never move this picture. This never moves. This picture of the moon. It's reversed. Never moves. All I did was align this weather to the Earth. Look at there's South America right there. See how it's right in place, right? Just like over the top of it, and then that happens, just like that. And I can see the resemblance here. This area right here, the reddish orange yellow area here is pretty similar to that to me. I can see it. And then all the way up, you got that going all the way up like this. See that? See how that is right there? That's pretty interesting. And then you have that crater right there. Now let's bring up a different picture of this crater. Here's some right here. Look at that one. Just trying to find some other things that we could look at here. This is kind of a less detailed image of this crater, a little bit less detailed, but it's good to have more than one, and you got to have several actually in place. It's good to have several of them. That's pretty good. You see how this here? Let me bring out the other one. Turn this off. Let me turn this weather off and just show you one more time. Most of you have seen it probably. This alignment of this crater over this part of the Earth. It's just a perfect fit, and it doesn't only fit here. Even if it was like a fabricated image to fit this area, it shows you. It would still show you something that. It still shows you that there's a pattern on the Earth because it doesn't only fit here. It fits all over every continent basically. It fits all over the Earth. So it just shows that there's, even if it's not a real image, which I believe it is because I've used all the images. Like I said, I've used all I can find. Even the drawing will show you that it's the same. Okay, so where am I here? Okay, if you look at this picture this way, and then look at how it fits North America right here. See that big line? This big line that comes down all the way, and you see this angle right here. It's totally there. I mean, I aligned this. This aligned itself. Application placement Pacific. This picture put itself in this spot. I didn't even align it at all. It just sat it down right there, and it was perfect. I might have fudged it in the beginning. I might have fudged it a little to the left, just a little bit, but I don't even remember doing that. I don't think I have. Not with this image. And then we see this right here. See this, like this this bird shape that comes to that point right there and comes back, and then you see the same thing in on the coast of California right here. Look, or right here in California. See that point? That's in place. And then you come down here, and I think there's something for this area in the ocean floor you can see right here, this curve. I think there's something there for that. See that? Oh, right in there. So anyways, I just wanted to point that out, that the way that weather fit there. That was pretty interesting. Another good alignment, but I mean, it's not really a super clear one, but I mean, you can clearly see it, that blue fits into the crater there. And it's the right size, and everything's right. And you can even see this right here, this little area of weather, the way it comes back like this. You can see that in this picture a little bit right here. You can see this right here, something there. And the way the weather goes up to this point like this, you see that on this crater. Look at that. Okay, good enough. Have a great day.